Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and today I'm gonna show you how a plumber removes a toilet. Okay, you need very basic tools to remove a toilet, and here I have a channel lock, and you might not even need a screwdriver and a piece of cloth. And what else you need is here I have a shop vac to get rid of the water inside the bowl, but you can also use a sponge to remove the water from the bowl. Here's what you need to do first. You see that shutoff valve on the left side of the toilet? So I need to turn that one off. It is in off position now. So, but as you see, there's still water inside the tank. So now I need to flush the water. There we go. It's flushed. And now this is the water that we need to get rid of. So we need to plug this shop vac into the wall. And now we're gonna empty the water. There we go. The water is all gone. There is nothing left in there. And if you want, you can just also get rid of the water inside the tank, the leftover, because of the weight. Okay, that's gonna be it. Now we're gonna put the shop vac on the side. We don't need it anymore for now. I'm gonna put this one somewhere safe because we don't want to break it. And now, you see this little cap? You have one more in the other side. So, you can even use a channel lock, pinch it, and you can remove it. Do the same with the other side. Just pinch it and remove it. Okay. So remember that the water is shut in that side, and now we can unscrew, and we got rid of the water inside the bowl. And now these are the nuts and bolts. So I'm gonna unscrew the nut. And now we go to the other side. You do the same on this side. There we go. I removed the nuts from the other side as well. Put them somewhere that you can find them later. And now all left is that hose on the left side, the supply hose. And what we can do, remember when you are unscrewing that one, just a little bit of water gonna drip, just a couple of drips you're gonna have on the floor. It's all right. You can put a towel or something underneath. But here, you don't need to use any tools. Most probably you can unscrew it using your fingers, the way that I'm doing it. There we go. Okay. As I said, we have a couple of drip. Now, there we go. There. And now all you need to do is to stand the way that you don't hurt your back and grab the toilet from both sides and lift it up. That's gonna be it. And then you better have something on the floor to cover the floor, and then place the toilet on the floor. Now the toilet is removed. See how easy it was? In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to put the toilet back on. I'm gonna tell you something now. So you see this hose, this supply hose? I don't like it. I always use those braided supply hoses. So as soon as I see one of these, I just replace them with a braided hose. Even if they are just 100% fine, I still don't trust them. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video, as I'm gonna show you how to put the toilet back on.